You are wondering about how to get your first 1000 subscribers. So fear not, because I got some tips and tricks that will help you to get your 1k subscriber fast. Here we started. First and foremost, you need to focus on creating content that your audience love it. So make sure it's informative, funny or entertaining. Your videos just high quality and engaging. So make sure that you are creating content that stand out from the crowd. When you see that your content is going down, you need to be consistent on YouTube, because consistency is the key. This means uploading a video on a regular basis and sticking a schedule. Your subscribers now want to expect new content from you. So make sure that you are delivering on your promise. Then you need to optimize your video for search. It means using a title, tags and description on your video to help pupils to find your video in YouTube search bar. When people are looking for content related to your niche, it's find your videos on YouTube search bar easily and watch your videos. It helps you to gain some subscribers and views also. Make sure you are using the right keywords, titles, tags and hashtags on your description. It helps your videos to get more discovered on YouTube search bar. And then engagement is also the key to growing your channel. You need to be interact with your audience by responding comments and asking them for feedback. Make sure that you are creating content that they love, because your subscribers are biggest fan and it's your responsibility to show them the love they deserve. Collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche is also a great way to gain subscribers. You can team up with other creators to create a joint videos, guest on each other's channels. This can help you to reach new audience and gain the exposure of your YouTube channel. Next setup is promoting your YouTube videos on other social media platform is also a great way to gain some subscribers. Make sure you are promoting your videos to right audience. Social media is powerful tool to promoting your YouTube channel. If you use them in the right way, you can increase your 1k subscriber easily. So there you have it, some amazing tips and tricks for hitting that magical milestone of 1k subscribers on YouTube. Remember, it takes hard work, dedication, consistency. But with the right strategy, you can make it happen. Keep creating amazing content, engaging with your audience and also promoting your videos on other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. And don't go sub for sub. Target your right audience in the right way, and you will be on your way for hitting the 1k subscriber on YouTube, inshallah. Don't be afraid to be yourself. Let your personality shine through in your videos, because people want to connect with real people, so show them you are. I hope these tricks help you to get first your 1k subscriber on YouTube, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.